This is the Honor Pad 8. The tablet is powered by Qualcomm SM6225 Snapdragon 684G octa-core processor, while the GPU is Adreno 610. The screen size of the device is 12.0 inches IPS LCD capacitive touchscreen that provides a resolution of 1200 by 2000 pixels. The density of the screen is 194 ppi and it runs on Android 12 Plus Magic UI 6.1 operating system. The tablet comes in the dimension of 278.5 by 174.1 by 6.9 mm and weighs 520 grams. The Honor Pad 8 is built with a glass front, aluminum frame, and aluminum back. The device is integrated with 4GB, 6GB RAM with 128GB internal storage. The main camera features 5MP and the front camera consists of 5MP. It may be said that the external speakers of 2 or 4 mobile phones are simply installed on the tablet. This approach cannot guarantee the volume and sound quality. The tablet uses 4 1620s and 4 1217s to form a luxurious 8-speaker audio system. The frequency response range can reach 300 Hz to 10 kHz. The Honor Tablet 8 also provides a healthy tablet use function for young people's bad sitting and watching habits. To remind users of changes in ambient light, prompting users to develop good habits. The Honor tablet realizes that the mobile app of the vertical screen ecology can be presented in a more reasonable form on the tablet or computer, through the application of a split screen. The application split screen allows the Honor Tablet 8 to run up to 4 apps at the same time, and the 12-inch large screen can improve learning and work efficiency. It is fueled with non-removable LiPo 7250 mAh, plus fast charging 22.5 watts, plus reverse charging 5 watts. It is available in 3 colors, dark blue, gold, and mint. It also features accelerometer sensor. The Honor Tablet 8 has more advantages than Android tablets of the same price in terms of design, screen, experience, and other aspects, and it is also worthy of choice for young users or young parents. If you have gotten value from this video, make sure to like and subscribe to Tech 5 for more.